Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you what you should do if your Instagram account has been disabled and you appealed and they've got back to you and said that they reviewed your account and still found that it doesn't follow their community standard. And any account you create, they continuously disable. I will show you what you should do in order to resolve this problem. As you can see, this is an account of one of my clients. The account was suspended. She appealed. They disabled it. She tried creating another account. The account was disabled again. And henceforth, any account she create, whether Facebook or Instagram, they will disable it. And in fact, the first account was connected to her Facebook account, and because it was suspended on Instagram, they also disabled it on Facebook. So up to now, she doesn't have Facebook account. She does not have Instagram account, and it is so disturbing to her. So now, after you have reviewed it, you've appealed, and they have reviewed it. If they have got back that they will not reinstate the account, it means that there was really a genuine reason why they suspended it. Nonetheless, they should give you another chance to be able to use Instagram or Facebook. Now, when you scroll down further, they will tell you the reason why they suspended it. So when you see here, it says when you come here, read about this rule. When you click on it, it shows we suspended your account because we don't allow people on Instagram to create fake accounts, as you can see. So that is the reason why they are claiming that is the reason why they suspended the account. In fact, this wasn't a fake account. It has been in use for 3 years, but you know, sometimes the system will make a mistake. Now, they're also saying that when you try to bypass when you try to create an account by bypassing the rules, using bot or automatic means to create an account, hiding your identity deliberately to mislead people or deceive people, all these constitute what we call account integrity. Now, if you have not appealed yet, you can just click on appeal, follow the on-screen instructions to appeal. However, if you have already appealed and they said they will not reinstate it, I have a few pieces of advice for you, which if you follow, it will help you. Number one of it is that get a new email and a new phone number and create a new account. And in creating that new account, use a different device. Most of the time, if you use the device that you were using for your first account, they are going to suspend it again. So use a different device. And when you use a different device, create it after some few days, like 2 or 3 days, you can now log in to your existing device where they suspended the account and nothing will happen. And then, so you can use a computer or you can use a phone number. Now, when you're also creating that account, make sure your date of birth is not exactly the same as the previous one, because if you do that, they will still be able to trace and know that the system will just automatically reject it or suspend it again. But that doesn't mean that you're going to use the wrong address forever. Just slightly change the date of birth and the name and the username. And after you have created it and use it for some few days, you can now change it to the exact details, because they may ask for you to do identity verification one day and you need to use your ID card and verify. So you are just going to use those information, change them slightly to be able to successfully create the account, because the restriction may even be by mistake. You didn't really violate any policy, but the system mistakenly suspended it. So after you create the new account, then you can go ahead and now later, after using it for a few days, you can change it to the real exact information. But after the username, make sure that you don't change it back to exactly what it was. So for example, if the username is David Prince, you can make the username now David.Prince or David_Prince or David Prince with some numbers. Change the username and don't let it be exactly the earlier one. If not, they will suspend it again. I'm sure if you follow this, you will be able to create a new account and then follow the same process to also create a Facebook account, and you can continue your use of Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you still follow it and you have any problem, leave your comments in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.